how to download Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to download Adobe Premiere Pro, it is fairly simple to do so. But mind you that Premiere Pro is actually not a free application, so you might have to pay for a subscription or a one-time fee in order to download it. Now, of course, depending upon whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, if you're using Windows, type in Premiere Pro for Windows. If you're using Mac, type in Premiere Pro for Mac. You'll find the first official link from Adobe's website. So make sure to click on the official link. And right here, you can see buy now option. So if you want to buy it, you can click on the buy now button for your Mac or Windows. Then you'll be able to see you have to pay $22.99 per month. If you're billed annually or billed monthly, there'll be different options for individuals, businesses, students, or schools and universities. Now, another way is that if you just want to try out a free trial, you can click on the free trial. But for a free trial also, you might have to enter some of your payment information, but you will get at least a free trial. And if you're not ready to pay, it will not get charged for now, but after your trial has ended, you can choose to cancel or continue your subscription. But to download it, you just have to go to their website and make sure to download it manually. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.